In this quick demo, we'll walk you through Calendar's main functionality. Calendar will allow you to organize your existing Relativity objects in a calendar view. The Calendar application will require a title, type, start date, due date, and a description field. Now that we saved our calendar, we're seeing that the field we choose as the title is just numbers and it's not telling us much on the entry. We'll edit our calendar to get a better view of our calendar entries. We are now replacing the ticket ID in the title field for the name field. You'll be able to view your calendar in monthly, weekly, or daily view. You can click on any entry and view the quick details of this event, or click on the view icon to get more information directly in the object's layout. You will also be able to modify your entry by clicking on the edit icon, adjust the data entry, and save to see the changes reflected directly in your calendar. Calendar will allow you to create new calendar entries, set up a name, a description, a start and end date, a type, and save. You can also delete entries by clicking on the trash icon. This will also delete the object in the RDO. Calendar will allow you to filter the entries you are seeing based on the type field configured. In this example, we are categorizing based on priority. Now, let's create a new entry and use the new type created. You can also delete calendars that would not longer be used. Deleting your calendar will not modify your object's data. Organize your events and increase your productivity with Calendar.